So this is the Sidelying Gluteus Medius activation exercises. This is the left gluteus medius activation drill. My left hand is my right rib cage, where the right rib cage is a little bit higher off the ground. What I'm doing here is, while I'm keeping the right rib cage away from the ground, I'm reaching that left leg away from me. So you can see my pelvis go away from my body, so I can feel my left glute med. What not to do here, I'm doing sign language, is to hike my left pelvis up to my shoulder, as if it looks like I'm lifting my leg up. What I'm really doing is lifting with my back. Another thing to watch out for is opening that hip. So try not to open the hip away. Make sure you close the hip to allow that glute max, also with glute medius, to activate well. A subtle difference, but it does make a difference in how you actually activate the gluteus medius and glute max well. Another thing to not do is arch your back while you're doing the drill. Make sure you stack your rib cage and pelvis together. Up close here, just making sure you can see my rib cage is away from the ground, so you can see the ground below my right side, so I know my right obliques are activating while doing the drill. This is a different view here, so I'm giving you some things that don't do. So notice my shoulder goes so forward, so it is not stacked over each other, so try not to do that. Another one is my hip opening too much, so notice these are when the hips and shoulders are not aligned together. And the last one is arching the back. So try to avoid these things to allow your left glute to be activating well in these drills. Thanks for watching.